What's up, guys? Here is a new video on the 9 best performing tests that we have done lately, and I wanted to just show you exactly what we did. So I have my screen shared right here so we can dive in and you can hopefully implement these tests on your own store. So first of all, you see the first one here. This one is a horizontal navigation menu change. And the reason we've done this on so many brands now, to be honest with you, the reason why this works is that most PDPs on mobile are really, really long. So highlighting key areas that people want to understand, read more about, is going to increase conversion rate. That's the hypothesis anyway. You can see here we have reviews, WIOS, ingredients, and prices. And throughout the test, we can also see that the conversion rate was up 10%. So it was really, really nice. And so I really recommend implementing this in your PDPs, maybe even your collection pages. And honestly, you're going to see great results because we did it for a lot of brands and it always wins. So that's number one. And by the way, guys, I have 9 tests prepared to show you right now. But if you don't want to just wait and see everything, or you want 120 of them, we do have a cheap product where you can buy it and you can get the 120 best performing tests for $97. So anyway, that's just a little thing. If you want them all, you can have them right there. So let's dive into the next one. This one is one we recently did, and this is about adding in or removing, actually, and this is powerful, removing the discount code area and pushing everything up because of it. So you can see before it had a discount code you could enter here. And honestly, guys, I've done this test so many times, and every time we see high conversion rate when we remove the discount code on the cart. So I definitely recommend removing it and pushing the button to proceed to the checkout further up. I also recommend putting in the payment options further up because a lot of people are looking for an excuse to not buy. When they see it, they're like, fine, I'll buy it. So anyway, that test performed really well with a nice 12% increase in conversion rate. And I definitely recommend optimizing your cart any day of the week. Let's go to the next one. So this one is a simple one where we add in a dynamic search bar here, but it also is focusing on categories that are trending for the season. So it's cold outside, so it's promoting like long sleeves and tights and all those things. And that gave us a 13% increase in conversion rate. And I actually think that the revenue per visitor is up by far. And we got way more data on the test now. This is just from last week. So it was really awesome. And this test is going to continue to, I think it's at 97% confidence level now. So awesome, and I would definitely recommend it. I think we've done this test about 16 times for different clients, and I would say it wins most of the time. So anyway, easy one to implement. We got another one here, which is to change the CTAs to less aggressive ones. So if you're buying cold traffic, a lot of times if you have aggressive CTAs like buy now, you are going to see a drop off because they need to sort of be eased into your funnel. So going from get mine now to select dog size is a much softer CTA and just allows them to go to the next level. And we saw a 14% increase in conversion rate from that. So powerful stuff, guys, to try out softer CTAs, especially for cold traffic. Next one is also for the same dog brand. Let's see here. We actually went through this one, so I'll skip it. Here you can see a homepage test where we add in the different categories in little thumbnails at the top. We've seen this work so well on so many different brands, so I would definitely recommend doing it on the homepage. And by contrast, it doesn't work very well on collection pages, which kind of shocked me. But we've had a lot of collection page tests where it didn't win when we added it there. Here's another one where it won by a long shot on the homepage. So again, I think it's because of the nature of browsing on a homepage. You're looking to go to the hamburger menu, but if you can bypass that by clicking directly to the category, then you just save a couple of clicks, a couple of loads, and so on. Very powerful. Here we have another one where we are optimizing the banner at the very top. You can see here that there's no trust credibility here. And here you have the different certifications. You've got Trustpilot and all that stuff. So if you have a CTA up here for a product that is consumed, it can be something like a supplement or something. It's very powerful to have in your your lab results, your Trustpilot stuff. Anyway, most brands will have better results when they add the trust up here and a clear CTA as well. So again, very nice. I think it was 14% conversion lift on that one. Here we have another test where we optimized the galleries. So went from just having very basic gallery structure to much more about how do you consume it, how many drops do you need to take, what's inside, how do you use it, blah, blah, blah. So like having directions to use, commonly asked questions, reviews, you could go really crazy here. It's often a clear win, especially when you're adding in thumbnails so people can see that you have a really nice gallery. So here was a 24% increase in conversion rate. Last one I want to show you is taking these big chunks of text, which we so often see on our clients when we start testing, and just breaking it down to things that are easy to consume. As you can see here, we got our 30-day, 60-day guarantee. It's actually highlighted here so people actually see it. And then things are hidden behind buttons, and it's more attractive than it was before. Nice 10% increase in lift in conversion rate as well. So anyway, guys, you can buy this product if you want to get our 120 best test, or if you don't want to deal with any of that stuff and you want us to start testing or running your ads or email, you can click the link below and you can book a call with one of our business directors, and we can talk about if it's a good fit for you, if it's a good fit for us, and so forth. Anyway, hopefully that was good. Talk soon. Bye.